Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to create this kind of Gore effect part 2 for Samsung. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So this is what it actually looks like at the end. This is the end result of it. We're going to be going over how to kind of manipulate scars and blood and everything like that. And how to create this kind of mouth effect, like this crazy mouth effect that this is like one of my favorite covers. Probably like a really weird cover to call your favorite, but I don't know, just something about it is really nice. But this is just a simple image, literally a screenshot from his music video freestyle, I'm pretty sure. So this is just a motion blur. It's a duplicated layer and it has a motion blur on it. These are the motion blur settings. So 236, 3 degree angle. Then this is just a white glow overlay. And then this is a scar right here. So I'm going to show you guys what this is, and to show you guys, you can literally grab anything, literally grab anything, just kind of create this effect. So this is like, this is like one of the only scars I could find. Google is not the best place for all this shit, but yeah, I just got this, kind of just like put the hard light, kind of just like blend it in with him, and kind of like the idea was where it's kind of like stretched, I guess, like in the midpoint. Just put it there, just because it's kind of like a two-headed. I don't know what it's called, but you guys know what the two-headed shit. Like, then I got this other scar. It's I'm not really sure what this is. Just another scar. Then I put a bit of like a glow on the chain here. It's very subtle, but it's on overlay. Put the fill. I should have kept the fill up. Not gonna lie, that should look tough. But yeah, then I just merge all that shit together, and then we get this. So let me break this down for you guys. This is just the layer flipped upside down and scaled up. So if we were to scale it back down, it's literally the same shit. All you have to do is right click, flip vertical, hold alt, scale up, and yeah, you're gonna put it like right there, and then put this to lighter color and get the layer mask. If you guys don't know how to get a layer mask, you want to go down here and you want to click on this little button right there, and then you want to get your brush tool, and you just kind of want to just brush around, keep them out, and yeah. So next thing we're gonna get is the adjustments. So just literally like a drag and drop. So if you guys are wondering how I create my cover arts, I don't actually create them like this, like straight raw. I work with adjustments on, so this is my adjustments. It's kind of like a color correction if you guys are already familiar with, design. Um, but more specifically catered towards this kind of style of cover arts. So if you guys do want to go ahead and get my pack, I have like, I think near 40 or 50 presets in that PSD. You guys can go ahead and check that out. Yeah, these are all the adjustments. I'm going to break them down. We have the overlay, put that to AE8 fill. We have the curves, brightness, contrast, gradient map. This is a red gradient map, soft light with 60% fill. This is red and white. This is what it looks like. We have levels. I don't even think I use this. I barely use this. Kind of like slide the black up a bit. And then color balance. You can see there's kind of like a bluer tone. Not that much, but just these two kind of moved up a little bit. And the parental advisory. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Also, go ahead, check out the website. I do have hella shit on there for designers and shit. If you guys do want to go ahead and cop that. But yeah, peace.